romantic moments. In today's modernized lifestyle, while personality traits matter, the first and the most critical part of feeling confident is associated with the physical appearance. And lack of this confidence can put special and quality moments in jeopardy. Hair fall plays an important part in the overall look and appearance of a person. And a bad hair day can make anyone feel less attractive. Is that right? Yes or no? Yes. So Head & Shoulder, with its new campaign, has taken up an initiative to bring people closer and relive their special moments without the lack of confidence or ruined moments, which can be caused due to hair fall. Coming up now is a short video which will show you that why we have gathered here. Face of Head & Shoulders, Bollywood diva Kareena Kapoor is here to play your grooming expert and to advise you on how to keep the spark alive in relationships without any ruined moments which can be caused due to hair fall. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together with a big round of applause to the Queen Bee of Bollywood, Kareena Kapoor. Gorgeous as ever. Thank you so much for being a part of this campaign. Please share with us your views on the same.
Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I've been a brand ambassador for one of the leading hair brands, I think not just in India, according to me, in the world, which is Head & Shoulders. We've had a wonderful working relationship. We respect each other. I respect the fact that it's helped me a lot through, ever since I've started using Head & Shoulders, whether it's, the anti-dandruff earlier or now the anti-hair fall. I think I'm proud to, actually say that I'm proud of my lovely locks and I'm proud of my hair only because I think I use Head & Shoulders. I maintain this beautiful hair which you all keep talking about thanks to the brand that I'm absolutely loyal to.
Wow, that's wonderful. And we are proud to have you here. So you and Saif are considered one of the biggest style icons of the country and also one of the most lovable couples. So how do you manage to keep your spark alive?
Well, I think that, when there's love and when there's warmth and respect, there's definitely a spark. And hopefully that spark will never really die. That's what I believe. We both immensely respect each other. And of course, both of us are loyal brand ambassadors to Head & Shoulders. And yes, I think apart from the fact that we respect each other, I think Saif is very, very attracted to the fact that I have long hair. He never allows me to cut it. That is one thing that he's told me ever since the day I'm married, that don't lose your long hair or cut your hair, even whether it's for a film role. So, I don't think that's something that I would ever do is, probably go bald. I'll lose my brand and my husband.
I'm sure that's not going to happen, right? All right. So ever since you entered the industry, your beauty has been the center of all conversations. So, how much effort does it really take in maintaining such lovely, gorgeous hair, Kareena?
Well, it's definitely a little difficult because of the working conditions and the products that are used constantly in our hair. for different hairstyles or for different, looks that we have to keep doing. But I think the fact that, I keep my scalp hydrated, I try to protect, my hair fall, which does happen. And I think everyone in the room suffers from hair fall because every human being, man or woman, there is a time of year which has, that you constantly try to have that amount of hair fall, excessive hair fall at that particular time. But I think Head & Shoulders has come up with this new shampoo, and I think that's what I keep using 2-3 times a week, and it's really transformed my hair. It keeps it hydrated because of the sun that I think we're all in most of the time, I mean, working conditions outdoors, like I just shot my last film in 50 degrees. Wow. So I was in Goa and in Hyderabad, so at least 2-3 times a week I was trying to, use the Head & Shoulders shampoo, and I think it's worked, for me, as it's there for everyone to see now.
Of course, and it looks beautiful. So tell me, Kareena, have you ever faced any embarrassing moments due to your hair fall, or did your romance with Saif ever get hampered due to hair fall or dandruff? Tell us something interesting and fun.
Well, I think Saif is also known for his locks right from the Ole Ole time. He's one actor who's maintained his hair as long as the heroine's hair is flying, but Saif also has, he has a mane. He's like a lion because his hair is what, I think his USP has always been since the 90s. Also, I think that, yes, it is a great turn-off to actually, share the same bathroom and, see that there's so much of hair in the drain, or to just see that, constantly there's, probably some hair or dandruff on, your spouse's shoulders, on a black T-shirt. I think these are things that are slightly, turning off to a woman and a man, vice versa. But according to me, I think I've been very lucky. I mean, I'm very particular about my hair, and so is Saif. But I'm sure there have been embarrassing moments for everyone out here in the room, So I think that's why for that, Head & Shoulder has now come up with 2 separate shampoos. One is hair retain for men and anti-hair fall for women, which I think, solves this magical problem of embarrassing moments.
That's true. We always hear of this special Tashin moment where you went for this motorcycle ride with Saif. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Well, yeah, I think I'm not very fond of bikes and fast cars, everyone knows. But yes, Saif is very into bikes and fast cars. So in Tashan, he asked me to come on a bike ride. And
wow.
Obviously, I wanted to be a part of the ride. But I think what actually also drew me closer to him on the bike was the fact that he had nice smelling hair and the fact that, I think that, Saif has a clean scalp, and he's, that kind of helps in, I think, relationship building also. It is important, having a good set of hair is really, really important. And I think that is, that it could be one of the reasons, not the major reason, but yes.
Of course, and that's very adventurous and a fun story. So, you're the grooming expert for the day. Wow, that's amazing. What advice would you like to give our young couples who are sitting out here? Because we all look up to you as an icon.
Well, I mean, I think that the fact that, if an actor who works in such different and difficult circumstances, they're constantly, kind of tampering with their hair, or we use different products constantly. If we can maintain our, scalps and our hair fall using Head & Shoulders, I'm quite sure the young generation of today can do the same.
That's true. Kareena, we often tend to overlook the minor details in relationships, and it's very important to shed light on what is the important or the pivotal part hair fall can play in foiling special moments. So I would like to call on stage Shalini and Rohit, who will share with us a tale of spoilers caused due to this hair fall and dandruff. So let's have them on.
First of all, thank you all for having us here, and it's always a pleasure to share our special moments with all of you as well as with Kareena. And it was a special moment in my life, and it was our first marriage anniversary. And Rohit planned a very special romantic dinner date for myself. And
Yeah, it was a romantic dinner, and it was a surprise for her.
so, as every girl dreams, I was looking forward to it. I was quite excited. And, to look my best, I chose a dreamy white dress. And I decided to go for best of the makeup and hair so that I catch all the attention of my man and he's all into me. And I was all dressed up and best of my makeup and hair that day.
She was looking really beautiful. I mean,
Whoa.
cannot explain.
Thank you. And I was so successful in catching his attention, and he was all into me. And then that moment came when, out of love, he touched my hair. And that actually spoiled the moment because few of my hair strangled into his fingers, and they fall off. Okay. So you can understand what kind of situation it was for me, and it became memorable, but believe me, Kareena, not in a nice way.
And I'm sure then after that, Head and Shoulders has transformed your
Yes,
hair and your life.
exactly. That is what I want to know from you. I mean, how I can make it more special, and I make sure that this never happens in future.
Well, I think that this has happened to quite a few people, but Head and Shoulders being a trusted brand, a brand that I think most of the world uses for anti-dandruff or has sworn by anti-dandruff earlier. Now I am swearing by the anti-hair fall, and I think half the young generation wants to try that out. So I think you should, because it can change lives.
I think I should give it a try, and I'm sure most of the coming anniversaries will be as beautiful as yours in SAS.
Yes, well, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure that it must have really hurt, like whatever happened, it must be like, oh God, I hope this never happens again.
Exactly.
But Kareena, you're the grooming expert, so we would like to ask you that if you were ever stuck in such a situation, what would be your one-stop solution, and how would you go ahead and really save the day?
Well, I would tie my hair up. That's the only solution that I can think of. And you can still look beautiful and glamorous with your hair tied. And, it also gives you a sense of confidence, because I know at that point of time, you just lose confidence. And I think a woman is all about, knowing herself and believing in herself. So, I think a quick solution would be to just tie your hair up like what I like doing.
And I think you should hint your men not to touch your hair that day.
Okay. No, use Head and Shoulders and then you can get your hair stroked.
Okay.
Well, that's a nice solution, and we keep that in mind. Now, the festive season is around, and everyone's quite excited. It's around the corner. So, any advice that you would like to give to the young couples present here so that every moment can be really special?
Well, I think, enjoy every moment, definitely. I think everyone knows that Shraddh is over, and now, Navratras and Dhanteras and Diwali is coming in. It's a very, very popular time, especially back in India, for the Hindus and everyone to come together for the family. So I think that, just feel good, eat what you want, and use Head and Shoulders.
Wow, that's lovely. So feel good, eat what you want, and use Head and Shoulders. We are going to keep that in mind. So to celebrate Pyar Ke No Side Effects, we have some couples who have won the contest, and they are running on the Head and Shoulders social media page. And they are present here to join Kareena on being free of all side effects and have beautiful, healthy hair. So on behalf of Head and Shoulders and all of us present,
आलोक हियर फ्रॉम OFM. मेरा सवाल है कि सवाल ये है कि एड हमने देखा अभी, एवी देखा एड का, उसमें मिमिक्री हो रही है. शाहरुख खान किसी लड़की के साथ हैं, DDLJ टाइप्स. कभी मिमिक्री होती है लाइक, तो आप कैसा फील करती हैं एज अ स्टार कि आपकी मिमिक्री अगर किसी
I think the best compliment to any actor or a comedian or a stage actor, theatre actor, किसी artist, कोई भी artist हो, चाहे singer हो, I think the mimicry is the greatest form of flattery.
Wow.
And it is a compliment to an actor.
एंड सवाल ये तो आज के दिन बनता है कि इंडस्ट्री में आपको किसके बाल ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, एक्ट्रेस एंड एक्टर?
मेरे खुद के बाल.
And Saif also, right?
हाँ, of course. See, both of us over there.
और किसको चाहिए
किसी
आपको?
और का नाम लेना तो बनता नहीं है.
Any other questions? I think we have one more question. हाँ जी. Yes, please, you can ask.
हाय करीना. पहले तो हैप्पी बर्थडे आपको. सॉरी बी लेटेड बट
Belated happy birthday.
बट बर्थडे के बाद आज मिले तो आज ही सही. तो कैसा था आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन, कुछ अगर जानना चाहे तो?
अभी आपने विश कर दिया तो और भी अच्छा हो गया.
हाँ,
ओहो.
बट हमने सुना कि कहीं सेलिब्रेशन के लिए आप लोग गए थे, तो वो कैसा था, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
बिल्कुल बताना नहीं चाहूंगी मैं, बट बहुत अच्छा रहा है. एंड बस थैंक यू वेरी मच.
और अगर बालों की मैं क्या बात करूं कि ऑलवेज आपके बाल इतने सिल्की ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस तो हैं ही.
बिल्कुल आपके जैसे.
मेरे
आपके
बाल तो बहुत ही
जैसे.
छोटे हैं, बहुत छोटे बाल हैं मेरे.
हाँ, छोटे है तो बढ़ा लो.
नहीं बढ़ा रहे. ओके, तो करीना अगर बात करें, अगर बॉलीवुड में अगर फिल्मों की अगर हम बात करें तो कई सारी हमने देखा बायोपिक फिल्में आ रही हैं, कई सारी वुमेन ओरिएंटेड फिल्में आ रही हैं. तो पहले जानना चाहूंगी कि क्या करीना ने मैरी कॉम देखी?
नहीं, मैंने फिल्म में आई थिंक सभी लोग जानते हैं कि पिछले 1-2 साल में बहुत कम फिल्म देखते हैं हम लोग. बट डेफिनेटली सैफ और मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि इस साल के एंड तक तो हम लोग 2-3 अच्छी फिल्में ज़रूर देखेंगे.
और इस तरह की कोई फिल्में, बायोपिक या वुमेन ओरिएंटेड फिल्में हम करीना को कभी करते हुए देखेंगे?
करीना को 22 साल की उम्र में भी देखा था चमेली करते हुए.
जी.
फिर जब भी मेट, फिर हीरोइन 3 साल हुए उसके. जब स्क्रिप्ट की कोई मांग होगी, जब दिल से अगर स्क्रिप्ट को पसंद आएगी तभी होगा. बट जस्ट बिकॉज कि पूरी दुनिया कर रही है तो उस हिसाब से आप लोग जानते हैं कि मैं वैसे नहीं करूँगी.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you. Any other question? I think there's one more question. Any other questions? One last question. Yeah, we can have one last question.
करीना हाय.
Hi.
एक थोड़ा सा अलग सवाल है. आज हमारे देश के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है क्योंकि स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी में हमने हमारा जो यान है वो मंगल ग्रह पर भेजा है.
What? Say again. I didn't understand. I'll need a translator now. Say in English.
English में, okay. Today is a great day for India because we have achieved a great thing. We have sent Mars, what do you call? It's an orbiter. We have sent to Mars. So what's your take on that?
Very scientific question, Kareena.
Very scientific and great. That's a great day for us. And I also want to go to space. मेरी भी यही इच्छा है. मुझे भी ले चलो साथ में. Never know. मैं believe करती हूँ कि सिर्फ there's not just life on Earth. I think there is life on other planets as well. Maybe Mars, maybe somewhere else. So never know. अकेले जाना चाहूँगी बस.
Maybe Saif?
Never know. I mean, yeah, Saif is already in space.
All right, I think we are done. Let's give the beautiful, gorgeous lady once more a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar Talia. Thank you for being with us.